All right, so how to complete milestones. This You need to click on the current event, as you can see here on the near top middle portion. That's shining. There it says lasso loops. Just tap on that. And as you can see here, complete milestones to win, and it shows you the prize is 6,500 rolls, which is insane. And then sticker pack or a card pack. So roll with multiplier to get more rewards. So what you want to do is just play the game, and you need to land on certain tiles to get that milestone. So now we're just gonna play. There you go. Collect 60,000. That's the milestone, as you can see, and now we just got $60,000 on Monopoly Go money. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.